evening, everyone. My name is John, and I'm here to walk you through on how to solve simple quadratic equations. Simple quadratic equations. So, without wasting time, let's just run into it. Okay. So, we have a question here. It says solve the equation x minus 4 x plus 9 equals to 0. So x minus 4 in bracket times x plus 9 in bracket. Okay, now what does this mean? It means that this bracket, this first bracket, is multiplying this second bracket, right? Okay, and the product of these two brackets gave us 0. So what does it tell you? Let's say that this is A, this is B, bracket A multiplying bracket B. So if we say that A times B is equal to 0, it means that either A is equal to 0 because 0 times B will be 0, right? Or B equal to what? 0 because B times, sorry, 0 times what? A will give us 0. So it means that it's either the first bracket is 0 or the second bracket is 0, so that we'll be able to get this 0 will be true. So that's what we'll be doing. So what we state here is either x minus 4 is equal to 0, either x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 9 is equal to 0. So let's solve this. X, when we cross this 4 over, remember when a sign crosses equal sign, that sign must change. So it will change to plus, from plus to minus, or it will change from minus to plus. Okay, so when this minus 4 crosses this equal sign, what will it do? It will change to plus 4. So we have 4. Remember that 4 is the same thing as plus 4. So 4 is equals to plus 4. Okay, all right. So it will give us 4. Are we there? Now, or let's solve this one now. Remember, we said that either this one is 0 or this one is 0. So we have solved this one to get that x is 4 if this bracket is 0. Okay. Okay. So this one now, we say x, when we cross this side, when we cross this 9 to this side, it will turn to minus, isn't it? So it will be minus 9. So we say therefore x equals to 9, x equals to 4, or x equals to minus 9. That's the answer. All right, guys, let's continue. Second example, they say solve the equation 2x squared plus 13x equal to 15. Now, this is a quadratic equation. Why? Because it is having a power more than what? 1, right? It's having power more than 1, so that makes it a quadratic equation, okay? Not an ordinary algebraic equation. So we are going to solve this by factorization. By what? Factorizing it. So I hope you have learned that how to factorize, but if you have not, you can comment on the comment section, and I'm going to do a video on how to factorize expressions. All right, let's see. Now, what we do is to cross this 15 to this side. Okay, we're going to take this 15 to this place so that we have 0 here. So we have 2x plus 2x squared plus 13x. Okay, then this 15 coming here is going to be minus 15 equal to 0. So we just cross the 15 to this side. Okay, so that the other side will be equal to 0. Now we factorize. Now, I used to teach my students how to factorize so easily. You don't need to find products and find factors. All you just need to do is to open two brackets like this, two beautiful brackets. Now, the first term, or first term here and here, should give you the first term in this particular equation. Okay, so I'm going to take 2x and x. So 2x times x will give us 2x squared. Okay, now the last time their product should give you minus what? Minus 15. Let's see. Okay, let's see if we use um 15 plus 15 and minus 1. So this times this. Okay, this times this is going to give us minus 15, and this times this is going to give us 2x squared. Everything equal to what? 0. See, so you can see that it is now looking like the first one we solved, right? So what do we do now is either 2x plus 15. Remember what I explained earlier? It's either this bracket is 0 or this bracket is 0. So it's either this 2x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So let's solve this one. So what we do, we cross this 15 to this side, right? Okay, 2x, okay, is equal to, when this crosses over, it's going to be minus 15, right? Remember what I said, when the sign crosses, it changes. So it's going to be minus 15. So what are we going to do? We divide both sides, dbs, divide both sides by 2. So what do we have? We have 2 over 2 is equal to minus 15 over 2, minus 15 over 2. So x is equal to 7 and a half. That's 15, sorry, minus 7 and a half. X equal to minus 7 and a half. Okay, so 2 divided 15 is 7 and a half. So, or let's go to this side, or x, okay, or x equal to, so when we cross this to this side, it's going to turn to plus, right? So it's just going to be 0 plus 1. So x equal to 1. So we say therefore, okay, x equal to 7 and a half, okay, or x equals to 1. So and just say x equals to 1. We are come to the end of today because of time. So to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay, comment and share with your friends, especially those people that are going to register for work or any exam jam this year. Tell them to subscribe to this channel. We are going to be continuing on these quadratic equations. I'll make sure, remember I said in my earlier video that I'm going to make sure I start from the scratch to build you guys up. So if you're a mother seeing this video, recommend it to your child. If you have any question, you can put it in the comment section. God bless you.